Hello there, I'm Owain Wyn-Evans.
And I'm Llynos Lee.
Let's talk about online grooming.
Most people use the internet with good intentions.
Sadly though, a small minority use it to make contact with children in order to go on to sexually abuse them, either online over camera or by meeting them in person.
This is known as grooming. An offender might groom a child by pretending to be a child's friend, boyfriend, girlfriend, mentor or fellow gaming enthusiast. And these relationships often feel very real to the child.
Groomers use various techniques to gain power and control.
These range from bribing children with real or virtual gifts, using compliments, flattery and gaining the child's confidence through sharing secrets. Threatening to share more wildly a compromising image of a young person is a common blackmail tactic.
Offenders also work at isolating the child from family and friends, deliberately making them feel they are to blame.
Grooming may take months or happen in minutes. Either way, always remember, if a child is groomed, it is never their fault.
Children can be vulnerable to grooming at particular times in their life or when experiencing certain difficulties. Offenders will seek out any emotional or physical vulnerability.
A child who is being groomed is likely to show signs that something is not quite right. They might become withdrawn, unhappy and secretive. They might spend more time than before online and keep their online activities really private.
They might stop doing things they normally enjoy, like meeting up with friends. They might not be as open and communicative with their parents and other trusted adults as usual. You know your child best. If their behaviour is out of character, trust your instinct and follow up on your concerns.
Parental controls are a vital step in protecting your child online.
The best thing you can do to keep your child safe is openly and regularly discuss all the positive and risky aspects of being online and talk about what to expect from a healthy, respectful relationship.
Make sure they know you love and support them no matter what, and that they will never get into trouble for asking for help.
If you suspect your child is being groomed, report your concerns immediately to the police or the NSPCC.
Children can report concerns about sexual abuse to CEOP.
For more information about keeping your child safe from grooming and sexual abuse online, visit thinkyouKnow.co.uk/parents.